Good morning, student. Today I am going to start 10th standard math exercise 3.1. Dear student, first I want to clear you the concept about exercise 3.1. You will study in this, student. You will study in this pair of linear equation in two variable. Pair of linear equation in two variable. As from class 9th standard, that the following are examples of the linear equation in two variables. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. As linear equation in two variable. And you have to study now pair of linear equation. This is a single linear equation in two variable x and y. But you have to study about pair of linear equation in two variable. Like this 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Two equation you will have there. And now see, suppose that you are solve the any equation geographically, geometrically, means every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing it. Now you see, each solution x y of a linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 corresponds to a point on the line representing the equation. Means, suppose that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, a linear equation in two variable x and y, and the value of x and y, the value of x and y is a solution of this linear equation and correspond to this point x and y on the line representing the equation. Now you come to the point, these two linear equations are in the same two variable x and y. Now you are going to approach the standard linear equation in two variables. Equations like these are called a pair of linear equation in two variable. Now let us see what such pair look like algebraically. You see, from this point you have to note down. From this point you have to note down. The general form for a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Student, this is a linear equation, a pair of linear equation in two variable x and y. A pair of linear equation means two linear equation, first and second. First is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now a1, b1, c1, a1, b1, c1. The coefficient of x in first linear equation a1, coefficient of y is b1 and constant is c1. In second linear equation, coefficient of x is a2, coefficient of y is b2, constant c2, or real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0. Means if you will square a1 and square b1 and if you add, that will not equal to 0. It must not be equal to 0, otherwise it will not satisfied. And this also a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. It must not be. You can check further in the coming question. Now some example of pair of linear equation in two variables are, you can see 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Student, coefficient of x is a1, 2, coefficient of y is b1, 3, and c1 is minus 7. Coefficient of x is a2, in second equation 9. Coefficient of y is b2 minus 2 and constant C8. Suppose that you have to write the coefficient of linear equation, then you must write with its sign. Here is minus 2i, then you have to write it as value of b2 equal to minus 2. Okay? Then in solution there will be no confusion. Now I want to clear you. Suppose that, what is the meaning of this? Two lines are there and intersect one another. Suppose that one line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, intersecting at a point. In such case, the equation will have unique solution. Equation will have unique solution. Means 1 and 1 value will be there of x and y after solving the both linear equation in two variables. This is intersection point. So as a coordinate of this point, you will get value of x and y. Now you see this, these two lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two lines are not intersecting anywhere. Two lines are parallel. If these two lines will not intersect one another, then how will you get solution? So in such cases, no solution is there. No solution is there when? If two lines are parallel. Now you see, this is a symbol of coincident. This is a symbol of coincident. If the one line is on the same line, then many more, infinitely many solution you will get. You can get the value of x and y from both linear equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So there are three conditions, and these three conditions are very important to understand. Two lines intersect one point, two lines parallel means not intersecting, and two lines are coincident. In this case, unique solution will be there. In this case, no solution will be there. In this case, infinitely many solution will be there. You see, student, you must read. The two lines will intersect at one point. The two lines will not intersect, they are parallel. The two lines will be coincident. Now, student, you see the exercise. Now you see the exercise. Student, see the exercise 3.1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Is not this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Student, I am going to write question number 1. Question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Full stop. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. This is in inverted comma. You can see inverted comma. This is statement of Aftab. So any person statements can be written in inverted comma. Okay. This is the statement of a person. Aftab telling his statement to his daughter that what is the age condition between his and her daughter. Now you have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Student, I am going to first solve, means solution. You read the question. You are studying linear equation in 2 variables. You will keep in your mind. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. Let Aftab is X year now. Let Aftab age is X year now, and daughter's age is Y years now. Now means present time. In present, Aftab age X year and Aftab's daughter age is Y years. Okay. Now you see, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. Student, suppose that today your age is X year. Then what your age was there before 7 years? Before 7 years, your age would be X minus 7. Before 7 years, Aftab age was X minus 7 years. Before 7 years, before and ago both are same. Ago means पहले and before means पहले. Ago and before both are same. Before 7 years, daughter's age Y minus 7 years. Before 7 years, daughter age is Y minus 7 years. According to conditions. According to condition, you see. 7 years ago means before 7 years, I means Aftab. Who is I? I is Aftab. Aftab age was 7 years, 7 times. Aftab age was 7 times. Aftab is equal to 7 times daughter is. Okay. Now according to condition, Aftab is 7 times daughter age. Aftab is X minus 7 equal to 7 into Y minus 7. X minus 7 is equal to 7Y minus 7 7 ja 49. Now student, you put X and Y one side and constant one side. Then X minus 7y equal to minus 49, and minus 7 will transpose to right hand side, then it will become plus. Student, you see, x minus 7y equal to minus 49 plus 7. So x minus 7y equal to what? Minus 42. Okay. You can represent it at x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Student, this is algebraically. Your solution is there algebraically. What is there in the question? Represent the situation algebraically. You have represent this situation in algebraically. Okay. Now you have represented as algebraically. This is okay. Now graphically, you have to represent graphically. Then you take x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Now x equal to plus 7y, minus 7y will become plus if the side will change, and minus plus 42 will become minus 42. Now student, this is a condition, and after that you make a box. Student, you make a box and you write here x and y. Now if you will put the value of y in this, then you will get respected value of x. Suppose that you are going to put here value y as 6. The value of y is 6. Then 7 6 ja minus 42. So 42 minus 42. What will be? You will get the value of x is 0. Suppose that you are going to keep the value of this y is 8. Then 7 8 ja 56 minus 12. 56 minus 12 is equal to what? 40. Okay. And if you are going to put here the value is what? 9. Then you will get 7 into 9 minus 42 means 63 minus 42 equal to what? 21. Okay. Now you draw the graph. Student, you see, you are going to represent it by graph. X O x dash and y o y dash. X O x dash and y o y dash. Graphically you have to represent it. Then this is x axis. The value of x will be on x axis and the value of y will be on y axis. Now value of x is 0. Now you have coordinates. Use 3 coordinates. See, 0 6 and 14 8 and 21 9. Okay. Suppose that this is a small and the value is large, so you put here small 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21. Like this you write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 -10 -11. Like this you write here. Okay, up to -21. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -8 7 -8 -9 -10. Like this you write. Now you see x is 0. The x, the value of x is 0 and the y is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. So this is 0 and 6. On y axis the value of 0, x is 0. You keep in your mind, on x axis value of y is 0 and on y axis value of x is 0. Second point, 14 8. So 14 is here, you see 14 is here, x is 14 and y is 8. Then you see here will be there, you join here, this is 14 and 8. Now student, 21 and 9. Now here is 21 x की value and 9 is there. Then you can put here as 21 and 9. Then you, what will you do? You will join this point. You will join this point and this is known as graphically. So it does not matter that what point you will give take, what value of x and y you will take. First you represent the equation like this. It does not matter that you will write first x, you can write y first and x is, will be here. Then on putting the value of 1 you will get the value of other. If you are going to put the value of y, you will get respective value of x. You can take 2 points only. I have taken 3 points. Very easy. It's depend upon you. How will you put the value of y to get the value of x? Okay, student, I hope you have understood this question, and if you have understood, then you reply me in comment. Thank you. Thank you, student.